Hey fellow wordsmiths, if you're serious about your writing game, then you've got to check out Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker. First things first, let's talk about the user-friendly interface. Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker is seamlessly integrated into your writing workspace. It scans your content for potential plagiarism, ensuring your work is 100% original. No more worries about unintentional duplicates. Watch as we put it to the test. We'll input a snippet from a famous article to see how Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker works its magic. The results are lightning fast, and it even highlights the specific sections that need attention. But it's not just about spotting potential issues. Grammarly goes the extra mile by providing detailed insights and suggestions on how to rephrase or reword your content. It's like having a personal writing assistant guiding you to perfection. Here's the game changer. Grammarly doesn't just find plagiarism, it elevates your writing. With real-time suggestions, your content becomes more polished, engaging, and most importantly, original. Your ideas shine without the worry of unintentional similarities. Whether you're a student working on an essay, a professional crafting a report, or a content creator building your masterpiece, Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker gives you the edge. Your writing performance is bound to skyrocket. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker, your secret weapon for impeccable, original content. Say goodbye to plagiarism concerns and hello to writing excellence. Ready to take your writing to the next level? Click the link below to try Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker now. Don't just write, write with confidence. Thank you again for being part of the Martech Novera family. Let's keep this journey of discovery and innovation rolling together.